All right, so the area of the quadrilateral bound by the y-axis, the line x is equal to 5, and the lines mod x minus y minus mod x minus 5 is 2 is. All right, x is equal to 0 is our y-axis, y is equal to 0 is our x-axis, and then we also have the line x is equal to 5 in the given question. So I have drawn all this. Now the only pain point in this question appears to be this strange equation, and many people have wasted their time trying to plot the graph of it. Now I simply suggest do not try to understand how the graph would look like. We just plug in the value of x in this particular expression and try to calculate the corresponding value of y. Here, for simplicity, I'm taking values of x. Let's substitute x is equal to 0. When I substitute x is equal to 0, I will get mod of 0 minus y minus mod of 0 minus 5 should be equal to 2. So mod of y minus mod of 0 minus 5 is mod of minus 5, which is again 5 only. This should be equal to 2. Or mod y minus 5 should be equal to 2. Mod y is nothing but 7, right? So in this case, if mod y equal to 7, we can conclude that y will have two values. Y will be plus 7 or a minus 7. All right, guys, the next thing we do is we substitute x is equal to 1. So mod of 1 minus y minus mod of 1 minus 5 should be equal to 2. For that, mod of 1 minus y or mod of y minus 1 minus mod of 1 minus 5 is mod of minus 4 is again 2. So mod of y minus 1 minus 4 should be 2, or mod of y minus 1 would be equal to 6. If mod of y minus 1 is 6, guys, we can say that y minus 1 will be either a plus 6 or y minus 1 would be a minus 6, right? So from here, you get y is equal to 7 again, and y is equal to minus 5. So first point of values were minus 7 and plus 7. The next set of values at x is equal to 1 would be y is equal to 7 again, and y is equal to minus 5. And now we'll substitute x is equal to 3, mod of 3 minus y or y minus 3, same thing, minus mod of 3 minus 5, which is eventually giving you mod of 2, will also be equal to 2. So mod of y minus 3 minus mod of 2 will be again 2, should be 2 again. That gives me mod of y minus 3 is equal to 4. Again, I have two solutions for this. Y minus 3 is either a plus 4, y minus 3 is a minus 4, right? So y can be a plus 7 or y can be a minus 1. Right? Plus 7 again here at x equal to 2, y is a plus 7, one possibility, and then minus, once again we put x is equal to 4. So mod of y minus 4 minus mod of 4 minus 5, which is mod of minus 1 or 1, will be 2. So mod of y minus 4 minus 1 is 2. So mod of y minus 4 is 3. That gives me y minus 4 is either a plus 3 or y minus 4 is a minus 3. So y can be either a 7 or y can be a plus 1. Right? So if x equal to 4, y can be plus 1 or 7. And lastly, we put x is equal to 5. Mod of 5 minus y minus mod of 5 minus 5 would be 2. Or mod of 5 minus y minus 0 is 2. Or mod of y minus 5 is equal to 2, giving you y minus 5 is either a plus 2 or y minus 5 is a minus 2. So y is equal to either a 7 or y is equal to plus 3. So this was plus 1, and at x equal to 5, y is plus 3 or a 7. Now what do we observe here, guys? The graph that we are getting here, the values of y that we are taking here, not drawn to scale obviously, okay, they are all forming something like this, right? So our figure is going to be a trapezium, okay? The non-parallel sides, these two, and these are the parallel sides, right? And we need the area of this entire figure, okay? This length is going to be 7 units up and 7 below, 14. This is going to be 3 to 7, right? This is basically 3. I'm not drawn it to scale. 3 would be here. 3 to 7, this would be 4 units. And this length is basically equal to 5 units. So area of a trapezium is half into sum of the two parallel sides, 14 plus 4, into the height, that is 5. Okay, 18 into half into 5 is 90 upon 2, that is 45 square units. And that's the correct answer to your question, 45. When you're actually solving this in the exam scenario, you need not plot all the points here. You can just plot the first and the second points and the last one and see a pattern that this increasing value of y here from minus 7 to minus 5 to minus 3 up to 3. So you don't need to plot all the points. You can directly see a pattern here, plot the first few, get the first and last points and observe that it's a trapezium, and directly you can get your answer. The answer is half into sum of these two parallel sides into the height, 45 square units.